What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cookix. We are back for another video out of Camarillo, because why not? Alright, Nike out of Camarillo. Curious to see what their situation is with the clearance section and stuff. They got a little heat wall right here with the pallets and stuff. Okay. So I did go check. They did have the Jordan 1 Stealth. They had a size 12. They had the Heritage. They had a few things. They had the DJ Khaled size 10. They had a couple size 10s, like 5 and stuff like that. I don't think he had a discount though. The outlets are getting smart, especially with the heat items. They know fools are gonna still buy. They know we're still gonna buy stuff, so not necessarily having stuff on sale. The heat items, that is. They got this heat section right here. Got a ton of retros here as well. Crazy that we just saw that for what, 110. 50% off the clearance. What? Whoa, this is crazy. Seeing so many of the DJ Khaled, that's pretty crazy as well. But yeah, I got the 11 Law IEs. Got the Brotherhoods. These are back. Omnipresent. These are always present at the outlets. 13's got a couple of those. Got these 2s. These are collab with someone. I forgot who it's a collab with. Material's very nice on them. Not been keeping up with all the 2s. They came out with a bunch of them. Alright, this is regular price though. 2 bills for this size 10. Got the Stealths right here. Red Oreo 6s. And I got these. Look at this. I'm definitely surprised to see this. This is a smaller size though. Size 7. Social status pennies. No sale though. If this had a sale, you know, fools would be up on that. That wouldn't even be here for me. Got some dunks, more dunks, size 9.5. Okay. Have a little heat section on the kids section as well, and the women's. This is the first time I've ever seen these. Holy crap! Like a towel material, terry cloth towel. I don't know, but yeah, I do got these. This is super small though. It is very, very small, size 5. Probably 5 women tours. Yeah, it's probably 5 women, so it's super small. These are dope though. These are dope. Halloween dunks, we've seen these here. This is a 4.5Y. 4.5Y. So yeah, that is definitely a women's size. So that one's smaller than this. Got more of these 2s. Oh, this is a different one. Yeah, like the material is so premium on it though. A nice tumbled leather on it. These are a women's 7. Yeah, these are 2 bills for those. Preschool version of these, and then got these as well. Okay. These are size 7.5 and 8.5. It shows which sizes. That's dope. I've never seen that. 2 bills for those. And now we're in the clearance section. 50% off. Can you believe it? Man, now I really hope I can find something. Trying to find something for a couple kids. Let's see what's up. A couple nephews and stuff. Maybe my kiddo. Let's see what's up, man. I'm excited. Jordan 37s. This is size 10. What is this? Is this the freaking this the Jason Tatum color? I don't know. But dude, be able to get 50% off of these? That's ridiculous. That's $185. So get that for under $100. Holy crap. Iries is a 9.5 right here. 140. Come on, man. Throw that a little bit cheaper. Yeah, you are getting it for $70, but still, we've seen these like cheaper. Dang it. 175 for the 36 right here. 36 lows. This is size 10. 9.5 Zoom Victories. These are the sprinting cleats. The Vapor Max, the Vaporfly version of the sprinting cleats right here. I don't know what price though. Force One Premiums going for 140. Okay. X Nature's going for $100. Man, especially with that 50% off, everything's like a good deal now. Alright, I didn't find anything in the 9.5. So look at these. LeBron's going for $60 after the discount. Holy crap. I'm looking for my kiddo now. I didn't find anything for the nephews. Looking for some size 8, 8.5. Some Gatos right here. This is made for soccer. This is made for indoor soccer though. More indoor soccer. Looking for something to run on pavement. This is 140. Do you get that 50 off? Icon 6 is going for $60. Holy crap. So $30 after the discount. Says baseball cleats right here. Go for $100. Seen a million of these. Different sizes. Size 8.5 still. Waffle Racer Craters go for 80. Prestos, these are size 8, go for 70. I don't see anything here for, dang it, I don't think anything here for pavements. Need some basketball sneakers, that's what I need, some low top basketball sneakers. I wanted to check to see if they had other sizes. I swear this is like the only spot where the in-store mode doesn't work on the Nike. I was trying to check other sizes, dang it. Alright, it is crazy packed here. Alright, let me go check out, let's go check out the bigger sizes. Fool's been dying for Cortezes, and then they just come out with these cleats that nobody wants, especially baseball cleats. $100 for those. Some cycling shoes right here go for 60. The Super F Cycles. A ton of these Prestos and a bunch of different sizes. $100 for those. Size 10s, 10.5s. Just 11s. 11s. Be True Blazers go for $45. Holy crap, that's cheap. Another one right there. That's like $22.50 for those. Holy crap. We got these mocks right here. These damn Air Max 95s. What the hell? There we go. The Crater Trail mocks right here. Go for what? $100. Asia Freeze go for 105. Did I say I'm in the 10.5? I'm in the 10.5s. 11s. Tailwind 7.9s go for 80. LeBrons go for 160. Size 12. A ton of these LeBrons go for 170. That's just way too much. We got the ice shots. Retail, I guess. More of these go for $45. More of the Prestos. Damn, can you just get one of these and paint over it? Like, the material is legit. Air Force Ones with the white and what's that? Gray treatment. Oh, retail. So if that's a premium. So those go for $150, I believe. Max 95 going for retail, but even at retail 50% off. That's freaking crazy. Ice 13, just a bunch of stuff being given away. Infinity Run Finance go for 70. Was that 35 after the discount? 3 days go for 70. Max 2017, so it's 12.5, go for 165. Still way too much. I guess 37, 12.5. Look at that, $40, so $20. 20 freaking dollars. Ice 13. I wonder how it was first thing this morning. All the good stuff taken. 1.5s go for $80. Jack Milers, look at this, size 13, $35, so what, $17? 17 bucks. I think I'm in the size 14s now. 115 for these, holy crap. Infinity Run Finance, go for $70, 35 after discount. LeBron size 14s, go for 165, so is that, what, 82.50? Size 15s, look at this, So $32.50 for Vapor. Oh my goodness, people with big feet apparently don't run. Big feet gang, you guys aren't runners apparently. Y'all busy dunking out fools and stuff. $70 for these. $40 for the Flytrap 4s. Damn, big feet gang, y'all need to come here. That's cheaper than the clearance stores right now. What the hell? Size 14 Infinity Run Finance go for $80. Flight 89s go for $70. Damn, big feet gang, y'all need to come here. Forget that. All right, we're checking the aisles. Like I said, I do need some low top basketball sneakers for my kiddo. Let's see. All right, clearance apparel, 60% off. I'm dying to check, but let's check out the aisles real quick. Let's do this real quick. That's interesting. That's usually 30% off with the 7 right there. Guess not. Lift-offs, Max Aras. I skipped the Jordans that people don't want. We do got the Jordan Air 200s. Spec Take 1s. Another one of these. All right. Price is going down. Okay. Less slides. Jordan 36 lows. We see a few of these in the clearance section. Got the Luca colorway, Luca PE. Okay. Flytrap 4s. Should I just get them one of these? These are mid tops though. Another one of those. Damn, these are cheap. Mortalities. Few colorways of these. Second to last. I think this is the last colorway. Sometimes they spread it around though, different aisles. More of these fly traps, $50. Fly trap 5s. KD Tray 5.9s. Another one of these. Does this one look higher than the last one? Oh, okay, there we go. More immortalities. Sometimes they have so many colorways, they spread them all around. Soldier 14s. Another one of those. These are always here. Black on black on black. Witness 6s. These are the LeBron Witness 6s. It's kind of budget line. He has the soldiers too, so I don't know. Both of them budget lines, I don't know. And this fives, $45. That's a solid price. We got a KD Tray 5.9. Another one of those. Last one, I think. You never know. They spread stuff around. Dude got these. We've seen these for full price in some spots. LeBron 9s and LeBron 19s. Be True colorway of the Oneanta. Is that what they're called? What the hell is the point of this? Like why does this have its own shelf? Like there's literally nothing here. What the hell? Just throw that on the clearance wall. You got the Killshot 2 leathers. Some resellers were eating these up at like 40 or 50 bucks. I'm surprised. I don't know. I didn't really see much in that. Hirachis right here. Another one of those. Got some Air Force highs. Some all whites. Okay. Another one of those. Got some jumbos. These are the Blazer low jumbos. More Hirachi, the craters. Got a whole, god dang, dude. I can make a store just full of these. Air Max 2017s. Another one of those. By the way, I'm definitely not buying anything. The line here is insane. The Air Max 2090s right here. Another one of those. All white, or is that a cream? I think it's supposed to be all white, right? And the Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. Air Max Plus, look at that price. Terra Escape, it just didn't really work out. Terra Escape colorway of every Air Max pretty much on sale. Air Max 97, these are going for $141. Boxes were labeled, but there was no price tag on the front. Terra Escape 97s, these are going for $115. 100 for these. Air Max 270s. Monarchs, we got a few of those, wide ones, the regular ones. Air Max 97s. I said 97s, obviously I meant 95s. The hell am I talking about? These are a quick check right here. Ooh, quick check with that suede, okay. So obviously there's the registers, and then the line goes around like that, and then it goes all the way to the back over there. All right, women's section historically has just been awful here. Way back when they used to have dope stuff, but it's 50% off, so I gotta check. They tried putting these in the women's section, hoping that they'd go. That's funny. $45 for these. These are size 11 men's, so it's a 12 and a half women's. Do you see some Air Max here? Size 10 go for $100, which means $50 for Air Maxes. That's pretty crazy. Size 10, 8.5 women's, or size 10 women's, 8.5 men's. Got two of those. Air Force Ones with some pearls on it. 9.5 go for $100. You need to run React Flyknit 2s go for $110. That's the size 9.5 women's. $130 for the Pegasus Trail 3. This is a Gore-Tex version. Go for $130. Pegasus 39. It's going for retail, blah blah blah. Size 8, like the smallest section. These aren't even the right box right here. Dang, dude, this is rough. This is rough. Daybreaks going for $105. That's way too much. React Mylar 2s going for $90. That's the 8.5. These are kind of interesting. Okay. Daybreaks going for $60. Finally finding a decent deal. Size 7, a bunch of these going for $100. These Vans looking things going for $35. Size 7. Rachi's going for $90. Yeah, not really too much interesting stuff. Size 5 right here going for $85. All right, let's go look around some more. Checking out the women's aisles, the NOLA slides. I've had these here for like 6 months, finally going down in price. I know what they should be. They just don't look that dope. I don't know. Joe Burrow slides going for $30. We saw these way cheaper. I think we saw them cheaper, right? At Westlake. Another one of them Burrows. Air Force One lows. Platform thingies. Air Max 90s. Another one of those. Air Max 97s going for $50. Are you serious? I think it goes up to size 10 too. Yeah, it goes up to size 10, which is a 8.5 men's. Really? $50 freaking dollars? That's insane. 270s right here. Another one of those. Air Max 2090s. A quartet of these. Penultimate one right here. Last one right there. Metcon free 3s. That's pretty much about it in the women's section. I'm still tripping about this right here. $50 up to size 8.5 men's, 10 women's. That's insane, dude. That's insane. All right, let's go check out this clearance section with the 60% off clothing. Even the bags are 30% off. These drawstring bags, these are what? Down to $15, 30% off. So is that 10.50 or something. Question is, do they have anything? Do they have anything though? N7 long sleeve. Oh, it's a sweatshirt. It is a sweatshirt. Go for $40. That is a size large. Bunch of Ram shirts. Ram shirts go for $10 or $20. So what does that make it? I'm trying to do the math. What is that? $8 a piece. Okay. Got a bunch of WNBA shirts. Oh man, I was hoping these were Lakers shirts. I saw purple. I was like, are these Lakers? Oh wait. These are like triple XL though, double XL. Damn, y'all. What's the price? What's the price? 12 minutes later. All right, this is regular price, so $40. So still gets them under $20. What's that? $16. So it's not too shabby. Got them in small, double XL. Got some Jordan hoodies right here. What these hoodies talking about? What they talking about? $50 for the hoodies. So is that $20? $20? That is a small. Is that a medium maybe? For my kiddo. Damn, nothing on this rack. Maybe in the shorts and stuff. These are some really nice. Oh, this is freaking $90. This is for the tall too. I'm the opposite of tall. Got another double XL regular sweatpants going for $55. Has that little Jumpman logo on it. USA shirts. These USA shirts are dope, dude. Only $8 after the discount. Shit, I don't want to wait in that big old line. I would get these, but I really don't want to wait in that line, dude. $8? That's fire, dude. I would save that for the next World Cup. It is in the US. That is dope. Yeah, I'm really not standing in line for that. Got large as well. Got camo pants. This is slim fit. This tapered. $120. Holy crap. Extra premium. I guess with the 60, not too shabby. All right. Yeah, I got a couple more sizes. Got those in XL as well. One last rack. Double XL for the gray sweats right here. Go for $35. Double XL though. Dude, got some running shorts right here. If you want your nuts to stick out, extra short. That's your thing. $40 for that. Got some regular running shorts right here. These are all XL though. $25 for those. And I think that's about it for the clearance apparel. Dang, dude. Wonder if they have like better stuff. You come first thing in the morning. I went to Westlake before I came here. 97 usually means clearance. So I wonder if this is on the clearance wall, but $30, and then if you did take another 60% off, that would be just hella cheap. That'd be what, $12-13? Holy crap. It'd be $13. I wonder. Well, I'm not gonna stand in that line anyways. It says 50% off the tees right here, but this is 97, so 30. It says 37 for those. 35 for those. It says tees only. These don't have the clearance tags on them. Yeah, these don't either. So I wonder if. Yeah, I'm definitely not standing in this huge line. So all right, I think it's time to wrap it up. Line's gotten shorter, but it's still pretty long. They still have that heat wall over there too. I hope you guys are following my shorts. I'm gonna post some of the most interesting stuff on the shorts. I think we're done though. So after all that, I'm in freaking line. I'm in line. Dang it. They had some Dunk lows up there, and I'm trying to get something for a relative. Dang it, so I'm in line. I should have grabbed the t-shirt, but I don't want to lose my place in line now. God dang it. We got some Fruity Pebbles, like 6.5. I did stand in line just to see what they had. This is the only Dunk low I think that they have. I don't see any other size Dunk lows. I'm trying to look for relatives. Dang, they had the Fruity Pebbles. That was kind of dope. It was a size 6, but I didn't grab it. All right, let's get out of here. Let's go. We're done. Officially done.